Hi, today we are going to take a look at PreFlight and how you can actually create your first test, which is going to be login. The reason is when you create your first test as a login, you don't have to record again. You can reuse that test. So let's just jump right in. Here, this is our PreFlight. When you actually sign up and log in, this is what you actually see. Right here, we have a new test. Click here. If you haven't installed the Chrome extension, you will see this. Let's click on this and install our Chrome extension, which is our first thing to do. Let's install this test. Let's install this extension. After installing it, we'll go back to the PreFlight and it will refresh the page. Then we can actually click on new test. Right here, what we are going to do, we can actually put our URL here to start the test. So here, PreFlight will start recording your actions, and it can be clicks, it can be typing, it can be tab, or it can be key presses, it can be selections, it can be anything. So let's just type our email right here. And while I'm typing, you will see at the top there, it is actually recording my actions. So I will click on password, I'll keep continue, and I click on sign in. So as you can see, it has actually recorded some steps here. We have 4 steps: navigate, first one, and then the second one is put my email address and a password, and I click on sign in. So right here, we want to let PreFlight know that we actually successfully signed in, and you always want to do this check at the end of each test. So that's what we are actually going to do in the login test as well. It is going to be a simple drag and drop where we have a flag, and it will let PreFlight know that, oh, you should actually check this, which is good morning test user. You will drag and drop that right over there. And then this simply tells PreFlight, after clicking on sign in, you should see good morning test user. And it will finish this test. And then we are actually going to be calling this sign in on your web.app. If I hit save, we will take everything you just did and then move it to the cloud and then make it repeatable and then run that test right over here. And then we should see screenshots coming in real time right now. So as you can see, it is queued now. I'm going to open the gallery and then see what we are actually getting right here. Okay, as you can see, it actually loads the page. It will type test@test.com. It will type password. It will click on sign in, and it will make sure we see a good morning test user. You always want to do that. It's very important. So when the test is actually successful, you can actually see the video right here. And then this video will actually show you the console log and network calls while the test is actually being run. And then also console log as well. And that is going to be our first test. I hope you enjoyed it. So the next step is we are going to take this test and then we are going to reutilize it. So you don't have to record your login test again. See you in the next one.